Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chioma. In today's recipe, I will be showing you how to make baked chicken with potatoes and vegetables. So if you really want to see how I made this, keep watching. Now let me introduce you to our ingredients. Okay, to prepare this our baked chicken and vegetables, all these are what I will be using to prepare it. Over here I have my chicken thighs that has been already washed. I have some Irish potatoes and I will also be adding sweet potato. And for the seasoning, I have paprika, I have thyme, onion powder, curry powder, oregano, black pepper, garlic powder, rosemary, and some chicken seasoning powder. Also over here, I have my non-seasoning cubes. I have salt and bay leaves. And for the vegetables, I have red, green, and the yellow bell pepper, and some carrots. I have purple onion, and here I have this lemon, this half lemon. I will be using it. It will give our chicken a very nice taste. Okay, now I will go ahead and mix my spices. Now to our chicken, I will not be adding the whole spices. I will reserve some for the potato and the vegetables. Sorry, I forgot to mark the chicken. So if you are doing yours, you have to mark it before adding the spices. So you have to mix it well to make sure that the ingredients are well mixed. At this moment, I will be adding a little oil, olive oil. You can now see that our chicken thighs are now well mixed. Okay, now I will go ahead and prepare the vegetables. I'll start first with the carrots. I'll just cut it this way. I will also repeat the same process with our well-washed Irish potato, but the rest of the vegetables I'll be cutting them off camera. Here I have the sweet potato and the Irish potato. This is the way I just cut them. So now I'll go ahead and add our spices. I'll be adding a little oil. So I'll use my hand and mix it well. Okay, also to our vegetables, I will repeat the same process. I will also add our seasoning. You can see also it's well mixed. Okay, to my baking dish, I will go ahead and add the potatoes. The vegetables. I will just mix it. And now I will add our chickens. Okay, now I'll be adding the 2 bay leaves. And now I will go ahead and squeeze in our lemon juice. Now with a plastic film, I will go ahead and wrap it. So, and here we have it. Now I will be leaving it in the fridge for 1 hour, or it's even better you leave it in the fridge the whole night, but I don't have the time now. I'll just be leaving it for 1 hour in the fridge so that they will all marinate very well before we start baking it. And here we have our chicken after 1 hour of marinating it. I will now go ahead and put them in the oven that I have already preheated at 180. And the setting, I put the heat up and down. And I will be baking this just for 1 hour until they are golden brown. And after 1 hour, here we have our chicken. Friends, this chicken tasted so delicious and the sweet potato took it to another level. So that is it for today. Please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, share my videos, and leave me a comment in the comment section, okay? See you soon. Bye-bye.